Hi guys, this is Mrs. Young. I am going to go over the homework. I'm going to go through at least one of the problems with you, so you should get at least one of the answers correct. And then number 2 and number 3, I'm going to kind of do the step by step, but you're going to have to do the math to solve it. So for number 1, we have 6 minus 4 plus 8 divided by negative 8. All of that is in parentheses, and then times negative 10. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to do the 8 divided by negative 8. So 8 divided by negative 8, we have a negative divided by, a positive divided by a negative. That is going to give you a negative, and 8 divided by 8 is 1. So we're going to bring down the rest of our stuff. Close our parentheses, times negative 10. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do all of the stuff inside the parentheses here. And we're going to go left to right. So 6 minus 4, that is 2. And then bring down plus negative 1 times negative 10. Then we're going to do 2 plus negative 1, we have different signs, so we subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then we have the sign of the bigger number. 2 is my bigger number. It's positive, so my answer is going to be positive. So 1 times negative 10. And then a number times 1 is always that number. So our answer is 10. And it's a negative times a positive, so it's negative. So the answer to number 1 is negative 10. Which is A. Okay, on number 2, I'm going to kind of go through the, I'm going to go through the steps, but I'm not going to do the math. You're going to be responsible for doing your own math on number 2. So we have negative 4 times, the little floating dot means times, 9 divided by parentheses 2 minus negative 10 plus negative 8. First thing that you have to do is everything inside the parentheses, left to right, we have addition and subtraction. So we are going to do 2 minus negative 10. And you're going to do that answer first. And then bring down plus negative 8. And the rest of your problem. Okay, and then you're going to do the rest of the work inside your parentheses. So that answer is going to come down here. Then you're going to bring down the rest of your work. And then you have no more math inside the parentheses, so now you're just going to do your multiplication and division left to right. So you're going to do negative 4 times 9, find that answer divided by your answer here, and that is going to give you your answer total, your total answer. Okay, and then we have number 3. Number 3 says we have negative 3 times negative 2 minus 8 plus 9 divided by 7. So once again, I'm going to go through the steps, but I'm not doing the math for you. So we're doing everything inside the parentheses first. We're doing multiplication or division. We have multiplication here. So we're going to bring that down. Whatever that answer is, minus 8 plus 9 divided by 7. Then you're going to do this part next. So your answer to whatever the number is, minus 8 plus 9 divided by 7. Then you're going to finish up the parentheses divided by 7, then just whatever your answer is there divided by 7 is going to be the answer that you get. It should be your answer for number 3. I didn't tell you what the answer was, but anyway, if you have any questions, guys, please feel free to send me a message through Remind. Please feel free to send me messages on email. If it's after 8 o'clock, I typically shut my phone off because that's when my kiddo goes to bed. So please try to send me messages before 8 o'clock if you have any questions on the homework. Have a good day, guys.